Today we're making 3 new 1-minute mug cheesecake flavors. These make a quick, delicious treat anytime you're in the mood for cheesecake. And unlike regular cheesecakes that need time in the fridge to set, these require no refrigeration. You can make your cheesecake and enjoy it straight away. These are quick and delicious. There's no need to make an entire cheesecake to get that cheesecake fix. We're making 3 new flavors today, inspired by the one and only Cheesecake Factory. A party cake cheesecake with golden Oreos and sprinkles, a Reese's peanut butter cup, and fresh strawberry cheesecake. Let's make the cheesecake crust. As promised, we're going to make these quickly because let's face it, when that cheesecake craving hits, there's no time to waste. Usually to make the crust, you would crush the cookies to fine crumbs and add melted butter. There's no need to do this for a single serve cheesecake. For a crunchy crust, break the cookie into small pieces and add the crumbs to your mug. If you like a soft crust, here's the trick. Take your cookie and dip it for a few seconds in milk. The cookie will soften and you'll have sort of a soft cake-like crust. It's delicious. You can use whichever method you prefer. Now let's make the cheesecake filling. I'm going to make all 3 cheesecakes at the same time, so I'm using 3 bowls, but of course you'll only need 1 bowl to make your mug cheesecake. The base is the same for all 3: cold cream cheese, vanilla, powdered sugar, and cold heavy cream. You want the ingredients to be cold from the fridge or the cheesecake filling will not whip up. If you want to enjoy this straight away, stick to cold cream cheese and cold heavy cream. For the peanut butter cup cheesecake, add peanut butter. For the strawberry cheesecake, you have 2 options. You can either add strawberry jam or use fresh strawberries. If you're using fresh strawberries, you want to stir those at the end after you've whipped up your cheesecake filling. These should take about a minute to whip up. It's such a small portion of cheesecake. If you're new to my channel, by the way, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every week. You're going to add crushed up golden Oreos to your party cake cheesecake and sprinkles. You can also add some white chocolate chips, and if you really love that party cake flavor, you can add a drop of almond extract if you have it. Just a drop. Like I said, this is also when you would add fresh strawberries cut into small pieces to the strawberry cheesecake. Transfer the cheesecake filling to your mug. The filling should be firm enough to be able to enjoy right away. Smooth out the top and let's talk cheesecake toppings. For the peanut butter cup, you can either add melted peanut butter or some type of chocolate spread. And I'm gonna add some mini peanut butter cups. These things are addicting. For the party cake cheesecake, I'm gonna pipe whipped cream. This is optional, of course. I just like it as it adds a party cake vibe to it. Add a golden Oreo and more sprinkles. Last but not least, I'm gonna top my strawberry cheesecake with additional strawberry jam. To be honest, this is strawberry topping for ice cream. It's delicious. These make a great summer pick-me-up. They're creamy and delicious and so easy to whip up. If you love cheesecake, you have to make these.